top forward. If you are looking for data analyst roles in India, these are the top MNCs that are they are hiring for the top data analysis analyst. The companies are WSP, BNP Paribas, United Airlines, and Cencora. In this video, I'm going to share you with all the details about the companies and their how to fill their forms. So first opening by that is a data analyst and data analyst one that and the location will be Pune. Please apply it as soon as possible, and the qualifications are bachelor's degree in statistics, and the preferred certificates are Power BI Data Analyst certificate, associate certification, and work experience will be 0 to 2 years of directly related to industry relevant. And these skills are going add please add into your resume and update your resume as soon as possible and apply it as much as possible early as possible, and if simply click on apply now button, it will redirect to the form for directly applying, and here are fill the basic details about the application. Please fill this and click to the next step and submit the form as soon as possible. And the next opening is by United Airlines. By they are hiring the associate analyst, operational performance and analytics role, and the location will be Gurugram, Hyderabad, Haryana. Simply click on apply now button and apply it as soon as possible. Also, this is going to the very mass hiring for the data analyst roles, and the qualifications are bachelor's degree required and 0 to 1 year experience are required for this. Simply add the SQL Python this into your resume and update it, and hit the apply now button. It hardly take 2 to 3 minutes for apply. Simply click on apply now and fill the basic details into form, and apply it as soon as possible. The form will loading for some time, and apply it as soon as possible. And next opening is by BNP Paribas. So they are hiring for the data analyst role, the Python and Power BI, and it is going to be the location will be Mumbai, and it is going to the full-time role for the uh, data analyst. And their requirement are also very normal. Add into your resume Python and SQL, the data analyst related into your resume, and hit the apply button as soon as possible. And the last opening is by WSP, that they are hiring for the data analyst in the three major roles, three locations, Noida, Bangalore, and Mumbai, and apply it as soon as possible. This is going to be the experience jobs, and but simply you can also apply it for freshers also can apply for it. Simply click on apply now, and it will redirect to the form. Add your resume here, and simply click on the next. This is going to be the very mass hiring for the data analyst roles. Apply it as soon as possible. Thank you.